All right, today we are going to make a pom-pom using our Mini Bowdabra. We're going to make a little pom-pom, but you can definitely use the big Bowdabra and make a big pom-pom the exact same way. So I'm starting with my yarn. I'm going to fold my yarn in half, and I'm just going to lay that across my Mini Bowdabra, and I'm going to just tuck the ends so it stays out of my way. Now I'm just going to kind of put it a little piece right here just so it stays. And now I'm just going to wrap the yarn. Then I'm going to just clip my yarn and take my yarn, and the reason that I folded it in half is because now I have a slip knot. So I'm just going to pull this through. I'm going to hold my yarn down while I pull this really, really tight. Then I'm going to take the ends and now take it out of the Bowdabra and bring this around here, and I'm gonna just tie it. I'm just gonna bring my scissors through here and clip. And then I'm going to take my yarn here and just pull it through. Come back over here and tie it off. Now you could make more loops if you want a thicker pom-pom, but I kind of like this one. And now I have a few loops that I missed. And I'm going to cut these the same length as my other strings. So now you have a really, really cute little pom-pom keychain. Please do me a favor and click the subscribe button below, and also like us at Bowdabra on Facebook.